Okay, so did you hear about this project that turns a GameCube Keyboard Controller into a whole new experience for Animal Crossing? That's wild.
Wait, really? How does that even work? Typing in Animal Crossing is notorious for being so slow.
Exactly, but with this you can type at what they call task speed. So, unassisted, you're kind of stuck, but tool-assisted, it's a game changer.
Oh, wow. So it's like speeding up the whole game interaction. I can just imagine typing away without having to click through menus.
Right? And they made these custom 3D printed keycaps that perfectly fit the game's character set. I mean, talk about leveling up your style.
So you're telling me I can compose digital diary entries with the actual game characters? That's incredible. How did they even do that?
It really started out as a simple project, but morphed into several. Like one part lets you unlock all items just by typing their names.
No way. So it's like having a magic cheat code at your fingertips. Just type and voila, all your stuff.
Exactly. And there's even a way to put custom images in the game. You can display anything you want using a Python script.
I can just imagine my friend displaying a photo of a cat in their Animal Crossing house. What else can it do?
Oh, brace yourself. You can convert videos too. You just need FFmpeg to process them. Picture a full-on Rickroll happening in-game.
Wait, hold on a second. Are you telling me I could have a mini music video playing in Animal Crossing? That's hilarious.
Right? You press S while entering a design, and bam! Instant Snake Game overly retro version in Animal Crossing.
So basically, they're creating mini games within the game? Talk about layers of nostalgia. That's just amazing.
For real. And to build all this, you only need a Raspberry Pi Pico and a couple of GameCube controller extension cables.
That's surprisingly accessible. I mean, I always thought that was complex tech, but this seems doable for anyone curious enough.
Totally. It's all about repurposing what you have, which is super sustainable too, not just throwing things away.
That's a great point. It not only makes it easier to have fun, but also promotes creativity and upcycling tech components.
Exactly. Plus, you can even use a manual flashing fallback if the automatic flashing doesn't work. They've covered all bases.
So even if someone isn't super tech savvy, they can still find a way to make this work? That's encouraging.
Exactly. And the entire project is open source, so people can tinker with it and expand on it. It's an incredible community effort.
Speaking of the community, I love how they referenced resources like Wikipedia for the underlying codes. How cool is that?
I know. It's like they're building a digital bridge between players and the game's lore, giving it context and accessibility.
So, you're telling me they're not just enhancing gameplay, but also enriching the community's knowledge. That's a great connection.
Absolutely. It's a whole ecosystem of creativity, nostalgia, and resourcefulness. I mean, wait, imagine the possibilities.
Oh man, I can already think about various in-game events that could tie into this. A whole new dimension to playing.
Totally. And it makes me wonder how many hidden gems are out there waiting to be uncovered this way.
I never thought about it like that. So if this is what people are adapting already, what's next? Virtual reality integration.
Right? The sky's the limit. It's all about how far we push the boundaries of these beloved games. It's exhilarating.
This is really blowing my mind. So if we put this all together, we're looking at a full revolution in gameplay.
Exactly. But here's the kicker. It's not just about playing. It's about reshaping our experiences in these digital worlds.
Yeah, and think about how this applies to any game. It's almost like a DIY renaissance for gamers.
Oh, and we need to consider the emotional connections too. It takes nostalgia and creativity to the next level.
That gives you chills, right? There's something deeply personal about reshaping your gameplay experience.
Totally. It creates a space for creativity and individuality. So what else could we adapt or customize?
Maybe we can unlock the potential for collaborative projects. Imagine a whole community creating together.
Yes, that's where the magic happens. Community-led initiatives based on remixing playstyles and experiences.
And who knows, we might even inspire a tie-in project with developers someday, merging ideas.
Wow, can you imagine how incredible that would be? It could change how games are developed in general.
Exactly. It actively promotes player engagement. So much potential just by rethinking how we use our tech.
And honestly, it's fascinating how a simple project can ignite a whole wave of creativity and connection.
Right? So it makes you wonder, how many everyday tools could we be repurposing in our lives?
That's such an interesting thought. Every gadget we have could lead to something new and exciting. Endless possibilities.